In this video, I am going to show you how to install TVMOB on your Firestick. First, ensure that your Firestick is connected to your TV and has an internet connection. From the home screen, navigate to Settings in the top menu. Next, scroll down and select My Fire TV or device. Then choose Developer Options. Here, enable both apps from unknown sources and ADB debugging to allow the installation of apps that are not from the Amazon App Store. Now go back to the home screen and select the search icon. Type in Downloader to find the app. Download and install the Downloader app, which will allow you to download files directly to your Firestick. Once Downloader is installed, open the app. In the URL field, enter the download link for the TVMOB APK. You can typically find this link on the official TVMOB website or trusted sources. Click Go to start downloading the APK file. After the download is complete, the installation prompt will appear. Click Install to begin installing TVMOB on your Firestick. Once the installation is finished, you can choose to delete the APK file to save space. Finally, return to the home screen, and you should see TVMOB in your apps list. Launch the app, and you're ready to enjoy your favorite content. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe to the channel.